Okay, we're asked to solve for the given variable, and in this case the given variable is f. It's important to remember this is a balanced equation, so what that means is that everything that's on the left hand side, so f minus 33, is equal to whatever's on the right hand side, which is in this case minus 25.5, and that means that any change that we choose to make on one side of the equation, we must do the exact same to the other side of the equation to make sure that the equation remains balanced throughout. It's also important that we show all our working and we lay out our working in a clear way. So here we go. Let's first of all, it's often helpful when we're learning to just make sure we know what we're talking about and to identify clearly the terms. So the terms we have are positive f minus 33, and on the right hand side minus 25.5. Right, so what do we do about these terms? Well, we want to isolate the variable, which in this case is the f, right? We want to isolate that by itself. So that means we have to get rid of whatever is on the same side as our variable. In this case, there's only one term, and it's minus 33. So to get rid of minus 33, we do the inverse, or the opposite, and that's to add 33. So minus 33 plus 33 is 0. And we do the same to the other side, so we're going to add 33. Okay, so what does that mean? So minus 33 plus 33, well, that cancels out. What's left on the left-hand side is this is the variable, which is f, which is great. That's what we want. And on the other side, we have minus 25.5 plus 33. So that is 7.5. Now we think we've got the answer, so we box it. And then what we should do is remain in the good habit of checking. So we check by substituting into the original question. Okay, so that was the original question. We now think we know what f is, so let's substitute what we think it is, which is 7.5. So now we say 7.5 minus 33 equals minus 25.5. Is that correct? Well, it is correct, therefore this must be right, and our working must also be correct.